Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vertical menu on Wix. Let's get started. So if you're tired of this kind of menu, which is horizontal, then vertical menu is a new basis of the changes on your website. To do that, just head over and click on this plus icon right here in the add element. Then once you have done that, you should be able to see this menu and anchor right here. Now, once you see that, you can see the vertical menus. There's a lot of templates in here that you can choose from. So just choose that one that resonates with you and with your actual website. So for example, for me, I'll just choose the orange one since I have an orange color scheme on my actual website. So let's just hold and drag it to wherever we want to put it. So for example, I want to put it right here. It will put like that. So this will actually put all of the pages of your website on the vertical menu. So as you can see right now, I'll have two pages right here. So I only have home and shop. So if I want to manage that, just click on this manage menu right here. And then in here, you can see the site menu. It will also open the site pages menu where you can add a page, a link, or this sub menu title right here. So for example, you want to add a new page. Just click on this add page right here. And then in here, you can choose what kind of page you're going to add. So for me, I'll just add a general page that I can add on my actual website. So they also have some links right here or pages that are already templated. So you can just choose which one you want. So for me, since I have an orange and black color scheme, I'll just choose this one right here. I could also choose this one, but I will choose this one. So just click on add page right there. And then once you have done that, it will be added to your website. So as you can see, it is adding it right now. And once it's done adding, you can see it right here. You can actually rename it if you want. But if you don't want to rename it, just click on done and you will be able to see it right here. So let's proceed in here on our home page as well. And then on the home page, you will be able to see your actual menu. So in here on our vertical menu, the general page has been added. So you can also customize this specific menu right here by just clicking on it and then clicking on this layout, design, and animation right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create vertical menu on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.